Before you share your document, you want to make sure that you've secured all cells with formulas in hidden pages. You want to make sure that all cells in your dashboard that have formulas in them are protected so that someone can't accidentally edit one of your formulas. On the import page, while our import range function is technically only in cell 1, because it is an array function, it puts information in columns A through G. If someone were to accidentally enter something into column G, as you can see, the entire formula will fail. To keep this from happening, I want to select columns A through G and also column H where I have my month formula. I then want to go to Data, Protected Sheets and Ranges, make sure that my range is highlighted here, A through H, and set permissions. I want to restrict who can edit this range to only me. If there are other people you would like to allow access to edit, you can add them using the Custom option. You want to go through all of your pages and make sure again that every cell that has a formula is protected. Once you've finished protecting all of your formulas, you can now hide pages that you don't want clients to see. I'm on the Import tab. I'm going to right-click. I'm going to select Hide Sheet. I'm also going to hide my listing conversion sheet so that when I share this document with my client, the only thing they will be able to see is the dashboard. Now you're ready to share your dashboard. Google provides several options for how you can share your document. You can make it public so that anyone can access it. You can make it limited to those at your organization if you have a business account, or you can make it limited to specified email accounts. If you want to ensure that only certain people have access to the data, choose this option. Users will need to have a Google account and email address. In order to share your dashboard, go to the Share button in the upper right-hand corner of your sheet. From the drop-down menu, you can select to make this public on the web, where anyone on the internet can find it and access it. No Google account sign-in is required. You can make it accessible so anyone who has the link can access it, or you can limit it to your company or to specific people. If you decide to limit to specific people, you need to provide the email addresses of everyone who has access to your document. You can also do this by going to the Advanced Sharing options, where you can invite people by entering their email addresses. Anyone I share this dashboard with can edit the dashboard. However, I can limit what they can do by changing this so that they can only view the dashboard, which means they can't make changes, or they can comment on the dashboard. At the very bottom of the sharing settings, there are two very important features that you need to consider. Clicking this box prevents editors from changing access and adding new people. As the document owner, that means that you are the only one who can add people to the document. This gives you control over who can see the data. You can also check to disable options to download, print, and copy for commenters and viewers. This makes sure that no one can download your dashboard. Once you've set the level of access you're comfortable with, you can hit Save Changes. Anyone that you've invited will receive an email inviting them to view the dashboard. They'll need to log in with their Google account in order to do so.